Are you ready to build the future of AI? What if you could create intelligent systems that not only think, but also collaborate, plan, and execute complex tasks autonomously? Welcome to the Google ADK Playbook. Go from zero to a multi-agent system. In this course, I'm going to take you on a journey to master Agentic AI using Google's powerful agent development kit. Forget about the chat box. You learn to build teams of AI agents that work together just like a real world team. I'm Gopi, and my career has been a unique blend of high level tech and public service. I worked as a software development manager at Oracle, and now I serve as an additional commissioner in the Indian Revenue Service. I built successful real world applications, including a popular mobile app and a website on GST. This experience has taught me one thing: I excel at breaking down complex systems from tax law to cutting edge AI into clear, understandable steps. In this course, you won't just learn theory, we'll build. We start by building our first single AI agent, understanding the core ADK components. Then we'll enhance our agents with custom tools and apply powerful design patterns like the specialist agent. The real magic happens when we learn the agent as a tool pattern, enabling us to build and orchestrate an entire team of agents that will collaborate seamlessly. We'll master advanced workflows, sequential, iterative, and parallel to manage incredibly complex tasks. And it all culminates in our capstone project, the autonomous Event Genie. We'll build a master orchestrator that brings everything together, demonstrating our ability to create truly intelligent multi-agent systems. I'll even show you how to professionally interact with your agents using the ADK Web UI and command line tools. Who is this course for? If you're a Python developer eager to step into cutting-edge AI, an AI ML engineer looking to master the agentic paradigm, or simply a tech enthusiast who wants to build truly autonomous systems, this course is for you. All you need is a basic understanding of Python, and I will guide you through the rest, from setup to a fully functional multi-agent system. The world of agentic AI is exploding, and this course equips you with the skills to be at the forefront. Don't just watch the future unfold, build it. Enroll in the Google ADK Playbook today, and let's start creating intelligent, autonomous systems together.